How to fix 0xc0000135 error after installing KB5013943 on Windows 11. Fix 1, Enable.NET. Framework 3.5. Method 1, using Windows optional features. Required components include Windows Communication Foundation HTTP activation, Windows Communication Foundation non-HTTP activation, .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services, ASP.NET 4.8 WCF Services. Method 2, using CMD as admin. Commands include dism/online/enable feature name nets 3/all dism/online/enable feature name WCF HTTP activation dism/online/enable feature name WCF not activation. Fix 2, clear cache files. Fix 3, uninstall update KB5013943.